Hey everyone, Namaste. It's been a while, right? And today is a Dear Diary day. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Also, I hope you guys are doing fine, and I am sorry that I have not been active much. But then, of course, you can, always drop in your message and everything. One more thing, if you have been dropping your messages on the Discord link, I am very sorry, but I have completely forgotten to install Discord in my this phone. My old phone kind of broke, so yes, I'm sorry for that. But I'll get back on Discord ASAP, and yes, I'll revert back to you guys again. Apologies, but yeah, the mail is always open and Instagram, so that's for that. Let's begin. Dear Diary, Day 9. Dear Diary, I have taken a lot of time to write another entry to you. I'm aware of the fact that I do not have to worry about what to say to you, but you see, there is this misinterpretation. It was not about whom I should have talked to, it's about what was I supposed to say. I do not know what this phase is called. I do not know what to or how to express this, you know, feeling of whatever that I'm going through. How to express this except from wanting to scream. I'm not injured. I'm not exactly depressed. I am being overwhelmed, and honestly, I don't even know by what exactly. The professionals in the field of psych are saying that people are facing such issues because of the pandemic and time being spent on screen. But I don't think so that is the case with me here. I can attribute these factors to my increasing anxiety, maybe yes, but not the dysfunctionality. Yes, dear diary, I am facing severe dysfunctionality, and this is exactly what I cannot explain to people. We have been giving practicals, and we have practicals that needs to be conducted and written assignments, and the work that people finish in 2 to 3 hours, it makes or it takes me either half a day or at times even more. Now I don't know how to explain this. I don't know how to explain to people why I take way more longer than others. It's not like I always procrastinate or I hate my work. I still cannot work. So, what is it? If I have to put it in words, I'm unable to write or read for even more than 5 seconds. This isn't due to my hand fracture or migraine or whatever, it's just that I'm unable to function. Since I take 58 more time from others, and I am constantly worrying about my work not being good enough, or I end up having panic attacks or at times even breakdowns, and this is all I can express. When I am asked about my videos, it's again difficult to reason out why I'm not posting frequently. There are 58 other people who are working efficiently. Maybe they have it as tough as I do, but it is different, and I don't know what to tell them, or I don't know how to explain it to even my professors that this is not so normal for me. And since I do not have a proper reasoning to it, or since I do not know how to explain it, I'm just trying to live through it. Even this entry, I'm shit as skeptical about saying it in front of everyone because it's not going to make sense to many people. But then I think I have to for the few who might be going through what I am going through or something similar to it. So, dear diary, life isn't always binary. We can't explain everything to everyone, and we cannot expect to get an explanation for everything either. We have to at times just believe people for what they have to say, because as much as we want to believe, Life is not so simple. We can always, tell people to take it easy. We can always tell people to, not think about the future and worry so much. And we can always tell people that live in the moment, but it's easier said than done. And I just want to tell you guys that it's not like people don't want to believe such things. Trust me, I want to believe such things more than anything else. I want to believe when people say that you have to live in the moment. I want to believe when people say don't think too much. But I can't explain why I can't do it. Because I cannot do it. And when someone is telling you that they are unable to do something, it's not because they don't want to do it. At times it's just a bit more complicated than that. And I understand that we don't want to make things look complicated, but sad reality, things are not so simple. So if your friend is, not replying to you like they used to, or if your friend is suddenly having outbursts, or if your friend started crying because you broke their pencil, they are actually probably not crying over the broken pencil. It's something else. It's a wound that needs healing. So give space to people if that's what they need, or maybe give support to people if that's what they need. At times, you have to ask someone again and again and check on them every now and then, because they're not just going to come to you and tell you everything. It's not exactly how it always works. So I think that's all. And so I think now you guys know why I don't post that frequently, but I am trying, and I promise you I'm trying a lot. So please be patient with me and stick around, and I'm always here. So stay strong, people. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye. And be safe. Yes, be safe. Bye.